Hello, Cal State Long Beach students. As you plan your academic journey from admission to graduation, one of your most important resources will be your Academic Requirements Report, or ARR for short. Your ARR helps you keep track of your degree requirements and is considered your official degree audit at Cal State Long Beach. Along with your academic advisor, your ARR is a great resource to help you along your path to graduation. Every student in a degree program at Cal State Long Beach has an ARR in My CSULB Student Center. It is in the Academics section in the drop-down menu. Select your academic requirements and then the Go button to open your report. Your ARR is personalized just for you and is based on your academic program, such as your major or minor, your previously completed courses, including the Cal State Long Beach courses and transfer courses from other universities or community colleges, and any courses still in progress. Your ARR includes all the different requirements that make up your degree. Here are some of the requirement categories that you may see: general education, major or pre-major, minor or certification, unit minimums, GPA minimums, transfer credit from other institutions, and exam credit. All of these have their own sections on your ARR. For example, all your GE requirements are listed together, as are your major requirements, and so on. As you explore your ARR, you can collapse or expand the different sections to see more details. Each requirement will have a status. You can use these statuses to find out what you still need to complete. Let's review the different status icons together. A green checkmark means you've completed a requirement. A yellow diamond means that you've enrolled in a class that will meet a requirement. And a red square means that you still need to complete a requirement. Some students may also see a purple triangle, which means that an exception was made for that requirement. For example, this could show up if your department substituted one course for another. Ultimately, you will want to see all the green check marks in your ARR as you approach your graduation. You may also see some yellow diamonds next to your final in-progress requirements. Let's take a closer look at an ARR that has a requirement that still needs to be fulfilled. If I expand this category, I can see what's needed and get a list of the classes that I can take to meet this requirement. One specific class may be needed, or I may get to choose from several options. Remember that every requirement is unique and class options may vary. Also, there is an Unassigned Courses category at the end of your ARR. These courses are unassigned because they do not currently meet a specific course requirement in the categories like GE or major. For example, any elective courses you take that don't meet another requirement would be included here. However, if you believe that one of the courses in this section should count toward another requirement instead, please contact your academic advisor or make an appointment with a Beach Central representative. The information in your ARR is really helpful as you plan which classes you want to take each semester. You can use your ARR when working with your degree planner, which is a personal planning tool you can use with your advisor to plan ahead for future semesters. To learn more about Degree Planner, visit csulb.edu/degreeplanner. Now, when you first start your journey at Cal State Long Beach, your ARR will have mostly red squares because you have many requirements to complete before graduation. As you continue to make progress towards your degree, your requirements will update from red to yellow and then to green. Again, after you enroll for your last semester, all requirements must have a green status of requirement met or yellow status of met with in-progress work in order for you to graduate. You should always review your ARR before you enroll in classes each semester and anytime you make changes to your class schedule. If you believe there is a discrepancy on your ARR, you should contact your academic advisor or schedule a meeting with a Beach Central representative right away. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about this important tool that will help you along your path to graduation. We wish you great success as you work towards achieving your degree at Cal State Long Beach. Go Beach!